Welcome guys to the Geek Stream channel. So in this video we'll be discussing Ninja interview experience of an ECE student. Let's get started. So this interview experience was shared by Chandan Kumar, branch ECE, batch 1721, and profile for which he was interviewed was TCS Ninja. So Chandan gave his NQT exam few weeks back, and this NQT exam is broadly divided into two segments. First section is about aptitude and the second section is about coding. So Chandan says that he did fairly well in the aptitude section but was unable to solve a single question from the coding section. But still he was offered a interview for TCS Ninja profile, and prior to his interview, around 8 or 9 prior to the interview scheduled, he got a link, and on joining the link next day he was asked to wait for around 40 to 50 minutes. It was a long wait, and then the interview started. The first round was technical round, and it started with tell me about your project. Chandan had created projects on machine learning, on movie recommendation system. So he explained what the project was, and the followed up question by the interviewer was, what real life example does this project have? So he answered it well. He said that YouTube uses it, Amazon uses it for product recommendation. Then the next question was, what are enumeration in Python? Since he had created all this project in Python, the next question was asked in Python. But Chandan says that his language is Java, so he is more confident in Java than in Python. So he answered this enumeration question in Java, and interviewer was completely fine with it. Then the next question that interviewer asked was, what are objects and classes? And he explained it well again. Why do we need constructor was the followed up question by the interviewer. Again, this was explained well by Chandan. What is polymorphism and its type and its differences? So this question again was explained really well by Chandan, and interviewer also said that he's completely satisfied with it. So it must have given him a lot of boost. Then the next question was that interviewer asked him to open his notepad and share his screen and write any sorting algorithm. So Chandan wrote a bubble sort algorithm, and he was able to write it completely well. And to all of those who are wondering how to write this code, I have this code over here. You can go and check it. Next question asked was how to handle exception in Java. Again, this was answered well by Chandan. What is out of bound exception in arrays? Again, this was explained by Chandan. Do you know about advanced Java? Now this question, Chandan didn't know anything about it, so he said no, he doesn't know about it, but he can go and read about it, right? So this was the only question that he failed to answer in technical round. Then the managerial round began. So the managerial round began with a question that what is your branch? He said it's ECE. So he said that if it's an ECE branch, why choosing an IT field? Chandan explained it well. He said that he always wanted to work in IT field, but since he was not sure about what opportunity electronics branch would throw at him, so he tried to learn electronics also, and on his way he tried to learn programming also, and later on he found that he loved programming more, so that's why he is going into this IT job. Okay, next question asked for by the interviewer was, what is FFT? So now this is an electronic question being asked, and Chandan was not well prepared with electronic question. So he said that FFT is used in sampling. So he didn't know much about FFT, but he didn't leave it alone, right? He tried to answer it. He said everything he knew about sampling. Okay, so examiner asked what modulation technique is used in satellite communication. Again, Chandan didn't know what modulation technique is used, so he tried to explain what modulation technique is. So you see, he's not leaving it alone. He's always trying to answer whatever he knows, so that the examiner knows that he's not blank. Next question asked was, why have you not answered ECE question? Did you only learn coding instead of your core? So this again was answered by Chandan. Next question followed up was, would you go to China on vacation if company allows you? So this is a tricky question that always is asked in interview in some form or other. So in this kind of a situation, you have to reflect that you are flexible enough to go anywhere and explore things. So Chandan did the same. Next was what will you do if you are working with a team of 3 people and both of them are not working and they have ruined the project? So this is again a tricky question. You cannot come and bitch about people. You have to be supportive and try to take stand and say that if things are hampered by other people, you are going to work and effectively as a team you are going to set it right. So examiner was impressed with Chandan's answer, and the next question asked was, tell me your 3 qualities. So guys, you need to be prepared about your weaknesses and strength, at least 3 each. So these things are very generally and very frequently asked in interview experiences. Okay, so before we move on, please subscribe to my channel, and if the content is helpful, please hit like and motivate me to make more of such content. Okay, so now HR round. So this is the mistake that he would not want to make. So HR asked him to show his resume and his result and documents, and Chandan had created a website on which all the different links were available, and this HR guy was not much technical, so he found it very difficult to download those documents, to click on those links, and he took a lot of time and it killed his interview time. So this didn't leave a good taste to the interviewer, right? Then the HR guy said that this is our last interview of today and you'll get your result on your mail. And luckily, this didn't hamper much to his overall good experience that he had in the interview, and he got his result on mail around a month later, and he was selected for TCS Ninja Profile. So congratulations, Chandan, and thank you so much for sharing your interview. And guys, please hit like if you find this helpful, and please share your experience on the mail ID mentioned in the description box. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you.